Hello, it is Soft Glim, and I have new hair.
Anna, okay, and it's
Oh my god! Anna, baby. Oh, you're wearing like the perfect outfit.
I'm the chili to your beans.
Chili to beans! Well, we watched Trixie and Kimchi open their Chipotle PR box. So like I wanted to open my Chipotle PR box and I wanted my kimchi to help me. And I'm also gonna have Alice open it because she does the things that I usually hurt myself doing. We got Chipotle because that's the whole point, right? They want you to buy it. After we saw that video, we're like, ooh.
Yeah, we wanted Chipotle.
We are going to order Chipotle and do it. Talk about this really quick. Back in my day, it used to go all the way up. It used to say chips, yeah. big letters, and it went all the way up. What the fuck is this? What do you think the chip combo is? 3 chips?
Is this the guacamole?
This is the guacamole.
That's also small.
That's also small, but look how cute next to this avocado sponge. I'm pissed still, but it's okay. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. It's just classic. It's chicken, rice, cheese, black beans, lettuce, guac, and sour cream. Very basic. Very basic.
So much. It would be all lettuce if I didn't mix it.
Ah! Her little head. Her head's so little. And we decided we're gonna crack open a cocktail that's been in my fridge for a while. Oh! We are drinking
Verve. Do I have to do that?
Verve or maybe Verve. Okay, cheers.
Oh, delicious.
Oh my god, that's really good. I'm gonna do my eye look, and then Alice is gonna try to copy it.
I have no experience with makeup, so
sorry.
We'll see how it goes. So is this the primer, so that the makeup sticks better or lasts longer?
Mm-hmm. All of the above. Plus, this is a very light concealer for my skin, so I use it to I can highlight with it, and it's also going to make all of these colors very true to what looks like in the pan. So we're gonna share the palette like Trixie and Kimchi did. Here's what we have. I usually just hand things to Alice to do for me, and she just is like, fine. Can I bring anything to the table?
So many things.
Okay.
So many things. She's really good at cleaning and cooking, and really good with money.
What?
Well, you know how to like get a credit card.
Oh yeah, I know how to get a credit card. If you want to know how to get a credit card, hit me up. Cute, except still barely any chips.
So you're doing your. Oh yeah, you primed your eyes. Should I do that or no? I'm not gonna do that. Should I do that?
I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Just put it on with your fingy.
I kind of like how that looks.
Yeah, it's really brightening. Well, I guess I'll start by just using this, which is sour cream. Ooh. That's quite chic and pigmented, this white. Maybe I'll do like do a mod thing.
Yeah.
Just like that. Ooh, just like magic. Just like magic. Okay, so we've got a very mod base of sour cream so far. I'm gonna do some pinto beans. I'm gonna use this little brush. So now Alice is gonna try to follow what I'm doing. So I'm just using pinto beans to carve that. Do that. Carve that. Do that. Cool. Okay, yeah. Step 1.
Pinto.
This one. Oh, you need. Okay.
Yeah, fuck it. No rules. Okay. They're like eyebrows for the eyelids. It really looks like an eyebrow. Okay, next up.
Next up. Wait, that's pinto. Okay, shit. But I'm gonna use this to diffuse that part now.
Actual pinto.
Actual pinto. Oh, it's just super pigmented brown. I mean, I myself am not sure about what's going on.
Oh, she's blending with a fluffy brush. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the difference between people who know what they're doing and not know
Blending.
what they're doing. Is blending. And take on what you're doing. Oh, it is fluffy. But you have to blend, you need a brush you haven't used, right?
Well, you could, yeah. I mean,
Or unless it's a light
oh,
color.
that doesn't look that bad. Close. I'm taking mild salsa, and I'm gonna go for this. Oh,
I like that.
all these are very pigmented, by the way.
Whoa! You look like you go to underground parties. This is the Nature Republic brush. That's what you're putting on your under eyes?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it looks so much more red in this.
I also just
camera.
blended her.
Ooh, it's bleeding!
Red looks good with brown eyes. I like it.
Okay, it's all about the attitude.
Oh.
Yes.
Fajita. It's just a really pretty kind of shimmery purple. This would be a good color to like put on with your finger.
Is that all over the lid?
Mm-hmm. Oh!
Whoa! Stunning.
She's also using fajita.
Are you blending now?
I'm just patting more on top with another brush. And the more you pack it on, the more purpley it is, but it's still pretty neutral as well. I'm just putting a little more of this pinto bean on. So Alice needs to put more pinto bean on.
Yeah, I'm gonna use a small brush this time.
Mm-hmm. Black beans. And I'm gonna make it kind of like smokier in that little...
Oh, you know what? I need to brush up my eyebrows.
e.l.f. again! What color is it, Alice?
Neutral brown. For the neutral girl.
Shit.
Okay, what did you do?
I put more black beans.
Black beans.
More black beans.
In the crevice. Ah! Peggy! Her nails are sharp.
I got them though.
Stop.
They're just naturally sharp. Right in my crease. Not too much. Oh, it looks actually quite good. It's a bit of a different vibe only because you used a really big brush for your crease, but it doesn't look bad. Yeah, it really doesn't.
That is true.
I think it would be quite nice to highlight with a little more of the sour cream up here to make it look more retro-y. I'm putting some right here too to also bump up that retro factor. This is the moment when you want to use a clean blend out brush, is when you're doing like kind of more of a naked part of your skin. Just using the same brush I used when I put my primer on. By the way, everyone, she's using a lip brush.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. I don't want to say anything. This is your makeup challenge. Yeah.
I feel like it's Friday.
I don't
know why.
There's just not. Hot salsa. So hot orange color, and Trixie wore this and it looked real good. I'm just gonna... Ooh. This is like, okay. You know what? I'll put some brown on top of it. Some pinto. And Alice is gonna do the same. So yeah, I'm putting pinto bean on top of this hot salsa. I'm gonna give you a fun challenge. Yeah. She's gonna use this. Oh, it's so cute. I love these. Oh, they're so soft and squishy. Okay, your challenge is that you're gonna I'm gonna wet them really quick. So she gets the pit and I get, oh, the avocado.
It's so soft.
It's like us. Together we make one.
Oh wait, I want to do that. It's this. My hands are dry.
So
Okay, back of my hand and then pat it with this thing and then...
I don't know, what do you think?
Ah!
Oh, she did it!
Can you see?
Oh, yes, we can see. I just did some reverse contouring, which makes no sense. Okay. This part came first.
What does reverse contour mean?
Like I put a really light color instead of dark. It's like reverse. So let's see how well this, I don't ever go on straight like this, but let's see. Okay, so it blended out gorgeously, and yeah, no other comments. Just blended out nice. Cute. Okay, she knows what she's doing a little bit. Yeah.
I have watched
that
all
looks
her
good.
videos.
That looks good. I'm gonna use this part of the avocado. That looks bomb, you bitch.
Well, just
work.
makeup. It's not me.
This is what
good.
I'm gonna put some on.
Oh, I can't wait to do the lip plumping.
Lip plumper.
Very good.
Sometimes I like just highlight on the cheeks. This I do want to help you with to do it justice.
I think they can see it.
Yeah, very good. A tiny dot on, let me see how big. That's good. Okay, so she's doing a little, so that's like a lot because it's pigmented. So just take your other finger. Yep, touch it and touch it. Carefully dot your cheek.
Same time.
Go higher than you think. Yeah, right there. No, not the same time. The one that has less on it.
Now? Do I do now?
Now? Yeah, okay. Ooh, I don't like putting a blush that high. I don't recommend that. Oh, that's quite nice. So that's one way of doing liquid blush. You could use a little cutie sponge like this.
That is so nice.
We are gonna put on mascara and we'll be right back. Doesn't she look like the gorgeous girl from Flashdance? Hot salsa glass. It looks clear. Let's see if it smells spicy. It does. It's like cinnamon.
I'm smelling senses. Oh wow!
It's like red hots. Okay, well, we're sister wives, so we're just literally gonna use the same gloss, and we're both vaccinated. If you have a problem with that, you don't have to watch this.
Don't watch this.
How about that? Okay. Really pretty, because it has like a bit of a tint. Oh, I feel something.
It's exciting.
Ooh, that's no joke. Okay. Perfect, like, gloss color. It's just, like, slightly tinted. It's like that fucking Glossier one that
It is,
everyone
yeah.
was shitting their pants over.
Okay, before lips, if they get bigger.
You look stunning.
You look stunning.
This is not sour cream, it's white rice, and this is brown rice. And I'm gonna mix both of them together and highlight.
Did you just make up sour cream?
I made up sour cream. There's no sour cream.
It should be sour
color.
cream though.
Yeah, because it's white. I mixed white and brown rice together to highlight because that's, I think, what they did, and I wanted to try that.
White rice and what?
Brown rice?
And brown rice?
Yeah, that's these two colors.
Oh.
Okay, it's getting more tingly, which is kind of nice. I'm gonna see what happens when I use a little bit of pinto bean to contour.
Oh, I'm excited.
Let's see.
Okay.
Mmm.
Oh wow.
Okay, it's a success.
Okay, let me try with bigger boy. This isn't for lips, right?
No, it's not.
Pinto, right?
Mm-hmm.
Too much!
Ah! What do you guys think? Comment below.
Yours is definitely a professional level.
Comment below if you liked this. Would you try this Chipotle makeup? It's actually not bad. What I would recommend in the future is getting extra chips from Chipotle since they give you 3. Follow me at Soft Glam. Alice Lee, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
What else?
Subscribe, comment below, let her know what you want to see next.
Do you like us? Comment below. Okay, bye.
No, don't say it.
You hate me, it's fine. Okay, bye! Toodaloo, motherfuckers!